पंक्चर काढताना ह्या प्रोसेसेस आहेत. पहा, ही एक स्टेप्स आहे. जर आपण मॅन्युअली पंक्चर काढत असाल तर आपल्याला असं पहिल्यांदा टायर काढून घ्यावं लागेल. ओके, this is one of the steps that we have to remove tire from the rim, from the wheel, like this way. You can see here the person, the mechanic, the technician is removing tube from the tire with the help of those tools. Now he has removed that one and now he is checking that one with the tool. Now he is filling air. You can look at this one. He has filled air with that air in the tube. Now the next operation he is going to do, he will check the puncture where it has been happened. See, he is checking the puncture. My friend, look, he checking the puncture in water. Actually, he has stored water in this big tire and he is checking the puncture with the help of this water. He's dipped this tire into that water. He will find out the puncture. When you dip this tube into the water, there will be bubbles on this tire, and with the help of that one we'll find out the puncture. See, this is the location where we have find out the puncture. You have seen there is air bubbles coming out from that location. So we found out the puncture location. Now this is the next step, that we are repairing the puncture. This is the tool. We are rubbing that surface. We are removing the water droplets, and we are making rough surface in that area. Now we are providing solution, right? This is the solution, right? Now we have applied the solution on that portion where the puncture has been happened. This is the small tape, puncture tape. Now we are applying that puncture tape on that hole. This is the sticker. You can see the sticker. Okay, we are applying that sticker on that whole portion and we are pressing it. Now the puncture has been repaired. Now we are placing this tube inside the tire over the rim area. See how he is installing, how he is placing. Look at this one. We have found only one puncture. Now we are placing this tube over the rim with the proper location. This is the puncture man. His name is Gandure. He's our old friend here. He's helping us to repair that puncture. This is a very simple procedure to repair the puncture on any tire. This is one of the example that how to repair the puncture. The same principle, same procedure we can apply for any tire. See how he is placing the tire. It's a strong, it is a reinforced tire, so that we can hit with the hammer as well to place over the rim. So next process is that we are filling air. With the help of compressor. This is the compressor air. We are filling that one. See, see now he is fulfilling this tire with the compressed air. Now he checking that one, the pressure with the help of pressure gauge. Now he has checked the appropriate pressure has been maintained or not. Yeah, the our puncture has repaired. It's very nice. They have done the good job. Thank you, Mr. Gandureji. Thanks a lot for your help to making this video.